Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. VLOOKUP is a powerful function for data lookup and retrieval. Step 1. Understand the basics. VLOOKUP helps find data in vertical columns. It searches for a value in the first column of your data table and returns a value from another column. Step 2. Set up your data. Imagine having order information in a table. Stuff our table properly. We'll use VLOOKUP to find a product based on an order ID. Step 3. Enter the VLOOKUP formula. Type VLOOKUP in the cell where you want the result. Step 4. Define parameters. Parameter 1. Enter the value to locate, like in order ID 10,251. Parameter 2. Specify the range of your data, for instance, a 1 to B6. Parameter 3. Indicate the position of the result column. Here, 2 for product names. Parameter 4. Enter false for an exact match. Step 5. Get the result. Press enter and voila! The product name pairs appears for order ID 10,251. And that's how you use Excel's VLOOKUP function for quick data retrieval. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for awesome content.